Welcome to DataPencil.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our 50-day SQL practice challenge. Today it's our day 19 and we are going to practice on case when. Means when we have to categorize the subject, then how to do it, how to find the result. We will see each and everything one by one. But before jumping to queries, let me introduce if you are new to this channel and you want to join this challenge, 50 days SQL challenge, or you want to join our SQL plus AI course or any other challenges. Please subscribe our channel so that you will get notifications about the new batch releasing date via community post, as well as you can follow our WhatsApp channel, official WhatsApp channel. The link you will find in the description. We update each and everything there and in our official YouTube channel via community post. All right. For more information, please visit our website www.datapencil.org. Challenges and SQL plus AI course is absolutely free. After completing, you will earn certificate. The only thing you have to register and start doing it. All right, so let's begin with our day 19, and I already created this day 19 SQL file and entered in our database. Now let's come to our query number 1, and this query is about salary category. Means we have to categorize the salary, okay, as low, medium and high salary. Okay, if salary is below 30,000, okay, if salary is below 30,000, then we have to mark it as a low salary. If salary is between 30,000 and 60,000, okay, 30,000 and 60,000, then mark it as medium salary. And if our salary is greater than 60,000, okay, if it is greater than 60,000, then mark it as high salary. So how to do it? It means here we have to create categories. So when it's a matter of category, we use case when. Okay, the name itself suggests that we have to create different cases. So we simply write case and then we start with when salary is below this, then marked it as low. When salary is between this, then marked it as medium. Else marked it as high. So this is simple theory about case when. Now let's write the code so that things will be more simplified. Now what columns we need to select means the columns that we want in our output section. So it means we want our employee ID, okay, as well as we want the salary. And the third column will be this category column. Okay, this third column will be category column. But we cannot create the column like this. Okay, we have to use here case when. So here we have to write case. Now we will provide different cases. When salary is lesser than 30,000, okay, then marked it as low. Then low. Okay. Next case is when salary is between, so we will use this keyword between. Between what? Between 30,000 and 60,000. Marked it as then medium. Okay, so we will write then medium. Then medium. Correct. Now the last one is other than this. So other than this means else, marked it as high. Correct. Now we have to write here end, means we are ending our cases, and this column name we will provide here. So the column name here will be category. So we will write here as category. Let's make it in a single line. Okay. Now simply give the name of the table from which we will take these columns. So it is from clean salaries. This is it. Now just close it and run the query. Unknown column salary. Oh, I have selected the wrong table. Cleaned salaries table we have to select. Let's select one more time and run it again. So by this we have successfully created our categories. Okay, so this is medium category, high category, Okay, majorities are from high and medium category. All right, so this is our first query where we created 3 cases. Now come to our second query, and in this we will create performance category, means based on the ratings, right? So if ratings, average rating is greater than or equal to 4, then we will call it as good. Okay, if rating is, average rating is greater than or equal to 4, then marked it as what? Good. Okay, if rating is greater than or equal to 3, then marked it as average, right? And otherwise marked it as poor. So these are our categories. Based on this, we have to create 3 categories. So I hope you can do it on your own. So basically here the thing that we have to take care is to calculate the average rating. Now here we are not going to use average function because average function will give us the overall average, but we want the average rating for each employee, right? Means their performance in 22, 23 and then 24 and then divided with the 3, right? So for that we have to use the simple formula where we will write 2023 rating, 2022 rating and 2024 rating. After adding these ratings, we will simply divide it with the 3. Okay, and the same type of question we did yesterday as well. So I am very sure that you guys can do it. All right, so just write your select command, then after that give the column names, which is employee ID, then average rating, then you have to imply the case when. Okay, and when you will write conditions there, you have to provide the full formula, means when rating 22 plus rating 23 plus rating 24 divided by 3 is greater than or equal to 4, then make it as good. When rating 22 plus rating 23 plus rating 24 divided by 3 is greater and equal to 3, then average. Okay, so you guys can do it on your own. Now come to our query 3, and this query is about attendance category. If you guys feel stuck at some point, then please let me know in the comment section. Okay, I will definitely help you out. So here it is attendance status category, means what we have to do, we have to give the labels. Okay, if status is showing present, if status is showing present, then mark them as or label them as active employee. If status is showing absent or anything else, then mark them as inactive. Okay, so these are your categories, basically 2 categories here you have to form. Now come to our query number 4, and in this we have to create the experience category. Okay, experience category. How can we find experience category? So here there will be 3 categories: fresher, comma, mid-level, comma, experienced. Now how to categorize it? So if your experience is lesser than 2, then mark them as fresher. Okay, if experience is lesser than 2. If experience is between 2 and 5, okay, between 2 and 5, then mark it as mid-level. If experience is greater than 5, okay, then mark it as experienced. So here what we will do, we have to use year function that will extract the year from the date. Okay, now their hiring date will be something. From the hiring date we will extract the year. Okay, and then whatever current date it is, we will extract the year from current date as well. Then we have to subtract both the years, means current year means suppose it is 2026, so 2026 minus their hiring year. Okay, suppose it is 2022, so 2026 minus 2022. All right, so let's do this one, and for that we will select employee ID. Now it's time to use the year function. Okay, in this year function, first of all we have to extract the year from our current date. Okay, so for the current date we will use a function called CURDATE. This will give us current date. Okay, so current date, now minus year again. On hire date we are applying this year function on hire date. So suppose current date is today 17th April 2026. So this year function will extract the 2026 minus whatever be the higher date, year will get extracted. So 2026 minus this year, and whatever be the answer, it will come as experience year. So experience year. Okay, this is our third column. Now we are going to apply case when this time. So case when. Now we have to copy the whole thing. When this subtraction result is lesser than 2, okay, then mark those employees as freshers. When the subtraction of these years is between 2 and 5, then mark them as mid-level. Okay, else remaining of the candidates will be marked as experienced. All right, now let's end this and give this column a name called experience category. Okay, now all these data are available in employees, so cleaned employees. This is it. Now let's run it. So here you can see that the experience, total experience for the employee whose ID is 1 is 5 years. The employee ID 6 experience is 7 years. So basically we subtracted the year from the current date and hiring date. Okay, and this is our experienced category. I hope it's clear, guys. So I already completed 2 queries, and remaining 2 queries you have to do on your own. So complete it and submit your work via submission form. See you tomorrow with our day 20, and there we will see few more queries. So take care, guys, keep practicing, and bye-bye.